Welcome to our Grooming Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two top-tier grooming tools. The Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit Series 7440 and the SHPAVVER Vacuum Beard Trimmer. Both products promise to elevate your grooming routine, but which one truly stands out? Let's find out. The Braun Series 7440 is a versatile grooming kit that covers all your styling needs, while the SHPAVVER focuses specifically on beard trimming with a built-in vacuum system to minimize mess. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, Braun is your go-to, but if you prioritize a clean grooming experience, SHPAVVER might be the better choice. When it comes to pricing, the Braun 7440 is more budget-friendly at $119, making it an attractive option for those seeking versatility without breaking the bank. In contrast, the SHPAVVER is priced at $169, reflecting its specialized features and premium design. Consider your budget and grooming needs when making your choice. The Braun 7440 boasts advanced AutoSense technology and a precision wheel with 40-length settings, allowing for detailed grooming across various hair types. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER's standout feature is its vacuum system, which captures trimmed hair for a mess-free experience. Depending on your grooming style, these unique features could sway your decision. In conclusion, the Braun All-in-One Men's Shaving Kit Series 7440 is perfect for those who want a versatile grooming tool that can handle multiple tasks. Meanwhile, the SHPAVVER Vacuum Beard Trimmer is ideal for those who prioritize a clean grooming experience. Whichever you choose, both products are designed to elevate your grooming routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.